welcome back to DIY Craft Art and World. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the main toys I play with on my daily basis in my basement. So first up we're going to get my Nerf guns. I got a lot of Nerf guns that I play with. My dad got them for my birthday, shout out to him. And I think let's try to get 10,000 likes on this video. If we do that, that would be our goal. And here are my Nerf guns. First of all, we got this big red machine. You know, like in WWE Kane, the big red machine. But to be honest, this is a mega red machine. And then up next, we got this. And this is like it's like paintball. It's it has balls in it and shoots. It really hurts. My brother shot it at me one time. Up next, we got my skateboard. How about I show you guys me giving this a go? I practiced for 1 month and I actually got it. This is my brother's, but he gave it to me as a birthday gift. So yeah, it's kind of like a trade gift. And go. This is actually called a rib stick. Yeah. I don't know why they call it a rib stick. It does have like a stick type of thing. So, yeah, I just love to play with this. And then, up next, this is a thing I do to get my exercise, my daily basis into my boxing gloves. I do have a boxing punch bag here. It's really awesome, guys. I'm telling you it. And, oh, don't forget, subscribe, okay? My goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers so we can finally get a plaque. It's my punching bag. You know I have to protect myself when I'm in public. Yeah, that's my punching bag. And last but not least, my fidget spinner. Oh, sorry, there's just 2 more things. I got my fidget spinner. It's a nice one, costs a lot of money, and I really like to protect it. And my next thing, before the last, is my cricket bat. I play cricket a lot, and I'm practicing to be as good as my dad. For the final